Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you how to appeal Facebook group suspended. Your group is suspended, which puts your community on hold. Not only that, but it also makes it harder to communicate with members. Not only that, if your group is for business purposes, suspending the group will also affect your business. Don't worry, today I will guide you how to appeal Facebook group suspended in just a few simple steps. Before that, please visit the link that I left in the description or comment. Next, download the extension. Then go to the extension section as the video tutorial. Remember to enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select WinRAR, then select Extract here. Wait a moment, two files will appear. One file is the extension, one file is the text that I have prepared for you. Next, drag and drop the extension as in the video. Now pin the extension to the toolbar, then click on the extension icon on the toolbar. Now enter your group ID in the first box. Next, enter your FB ID or FB profile link in the second box. In the third box, fill in the information I have prepared for you. Please edit your information in the sections I have edited. Finally, add a screenshot of the error you are getting. Remember to check the box and follow the instructions. Click Start. Now, you wait for about 1 to 2 hours and then go back to the group. You will see your group has been restored. Note, if it does not work, try again after 1 to 2 hours and succeed, because at the time you do it, there may be many people using the extension. This may cause system congestion. During this process, please do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. You can see my group quality has been successfully restored. Our video ends here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and we will answer them.